Here's the truth about dementia caregiving and just being a human in the world that you probably don't want to hear, but I actually think you really do. And that is, no matter what you do in life, there is always going to be challenges, hardships, pain. Pain is an inevitable part of life. Think back to before you were a Careblazer, before dementia was even a part of your life. You probably had challenges of raising kids, or going to school, or trying to get a promotion, or applying for jobs, maybe dealing with financial strain, dealing with complicated relationships or heartbreak. There has always been hardship and challenges in your life. Now, as a Careblazer, you have the added hardship of caring for somebody with dementia. What I see so many people doing is they're getting so upset over their current hardships. You're so upset over the cards that life has dealt you right now, having a loved one with dementia, that we're trying to fight it. We're trying to resist reality. And when you're focused on all of the things outside of your control that you cannot change, right? We cannot take away the fact that your loved one has dementia. When you're so focused on that, what you're not focused on is where you have all your power. The question becomes, how do you want to go through this journey? How do you want to look back on this caregiving experience? How do you want to show up for yourself in this experience? And how do you want to show up for your loved one? When we're so focused on how the world is unfair and this situation is awful and this is not the way you expected retirement to go, this is not the way you expected life to be right now, when we're so focused on all of that, it leaves you powerless, it leaves you out of control, it makes you feel awful, and it leads to no positive change. I am hosting my popular Make Caregiving Easier experience coming up. If you are feeling like what you're going through is incredibly difficult and you would like to figure out, okay, well, how do I want to show up? What control do I actually have? Where is my power? And how do I harness that power to make this journey easier? There's a link below this video. I'm going to invite you to join me inside the Make Caregiving Easier experience. 5 days will totally transform your caregiving journey. We get started Monday, March 7th. I'll see you there.